JetBlue welcomes you to New York City's JFK, where the local time is 9:48. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and carry-on items put away until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins, as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says "Claim at Gate," you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after we've arrived at the gate, so that we may better assist you. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you can check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about our TrueBlue loyalty program, where you can earn points on all of your flights, starting with today's. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Boston-based crew, thank you so much for flying with us tonight. We hope to see you on a future JetBlue flight. Also, just a reminder, folks, that we do have four customers on this plane who are trying to make a very tight connection to Milan. If you guys would just remain seated until we have those 4 passengers up front, it would be greatly appreciated. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.